Crazy, look at this guys, 150 years ago, how much Kauri was here, which is the green, and then this is today. Hopefully you can see it, but yeah, not much. So this is tonight's camping spot. I don't even have any idea where we are. Everything's just happened so fast. I'll put it on the screen where we're camping tonight. Look at those mountains. So yeah, a little free camper area. It's a bit windy. That's okay, it's free, we love it, the sun is shining. And yeah, we just got back from this museum, so it's going to be nice just to chill for the moment, catch a breath. It was all quite a lot to take in at that the Kauri museum, so yeah, just going to unwind and chill out. Tonight's dinner, amazing as it is just a ham cucumber cheese wrap. I'm not feeling that hungry. I'm coming out of a sickness. Unfortunately, I got food poisoning. So yeah, that's cool. I'm a little bit traumatized from bakeries now. But yeah, so I'm keeping it relatively quite light. Feeling much better anyways.